请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. She's nominated for Best Hakka Album as well as Best Singer in Hakka. Her name is Yumi, or Zumi, and from the album comes this song, Starseed Journey, Sene Tutfat. Now, the song expresses that life is like a train, and once it starts, it can only move forward. And the people that we meet and experiences that we have along our journey become the twinkling stars in the sky, lighting the way ahead of us.
你把愿望埋在教室右边数来的第3棵树下，每年叶子都会从那掉下来，砸中年轻的幻想，小脑之中泪水闪闪发光，牵着手走在操场的夕阳，山内出发，条前路弯弯巴巴也不强，后天快你也不过依旧爆炸，爱最终一看你手中发暗将山内出发，第一条路上给俺不要，爱就从那条狗兄你会疼，我把愿望埋在教室右边数来的第3棵树下，每年叶子都会从那掉下来，砸中年轻的幻想，小脑之中泪水闪闪发光，放开手，为你翻开下一章。
各位厉害吼，本列车伫草莓出发，沿途停靠金峰的，对面尾到天龙的，爱留伫故乡的人，抢在本站晚茶。
人生啊，就像火车，一旦出发了，就只能往前进。而在人生的旅途中遇到的人事物，将化为宇宙中的星星，为我们点亮前方。这就是这首《Sene Tutfat》星仔出发由柔米所带的歌曲所带的主题哦。这次也恭喜他入围了金曲奖的最佳客语专辑以及最佳客语歌手，我们非常期待他得奖。Thank you for listening for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.